Hello, YouTube family. Meet one of my newest subscriber. Tell him your name.
Hi, my name is Robert. I'm a CDL Class A truck driver. I'm not doing it at the moment. I'm doing some handyman work now. Just finished doing a laminate floor, and I do a bit of everything, a bit of plumbing, carpentry, electrical, just about everything.
All right. So where can they find you to get some of your services, Robert?
In the Miami area. I don't know
All
if I should
right.
give my number.
Yes, please put your phone number.
My number is 954-549-9603. And my
All
name is
right.
Robert.
All right. So if you need any kind of handyman work done, call my friend, my newest subscriber here, Robert. He'll make sure that he does a good job. So Robert, you have something on your phone like you just finished one of the nice floors. So go ahead and show them.
Let me see if I can show it from a phone here.
So wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that nice floor. That is so beautiful. Thank you, Robert, for sharing. So I need to take another one because I need to showcase your work. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.